despite the recent turbulence in the market that we have seen ever since 26th of Feb 2021, when the market cracked the most since 18th of May 2020, despite all of this, there has been a positive chart pattern formation on the Nifty Next 50, or as it is popularly known as the Nifty Junior Index. Let me also highlight that this is a very rare chart pattern, because there's been only a couple of instances in the last 2 decades that we've had this chart pattern on the Nifty Next 50. So what is it and how has it played out in the past? Let's address that as well. The chart pattern that I'm referring to is a golden cross, but why is it important and rare is because this time around it is at the verge of formation on the weekly chart of the Nifty Junior, and that's the reason it is extremely rare, because there have been only 2 past instances, one in 2003 and one in 2010. Also, what is more interesting is if you have a look at how the entire chart has played out from 2008 to 2010, there was a death cross formation, which is basically the 50-week moving average crossing below its 200-week moving average. From there on, in 2010, we had a golden cross formation, which is the exact reverse when the 50-week moving average crosses above the 200-week moving average. So if you superimpose that on the last couple of years, it looks very similar, because last year we had a massive drawdown in the market and there was a death cross formation on the weekly chart of the Nifty Next 50, and currently we are at the verge of a formation of a golden cross on the weekly chart. In case similar situation post 2010 plays out, we could be in for massive gains for the Nifty Next 50. Let me highlight the previous 2 instances that I was referring to. In 2003, the Nifty Next 50, after the formation of the death cross, after the formation of the golden cross, in fact, rose from 2003 to 2008, and the returns were as much as 4 times on the index itself. While the Nifty managed to gain about 3.5 times, the Nifty Next 50 was the outperformer during this period. Starting off in 2010, once again, from 2010 to 2018, there was a non-stop rally that we saw in the market, except for a few jitters here and there. But overall basis, the Nifty Next 50 managed to triple for itself, while at the same time the Nifty managed to double for itself. The point that I want to drive here is that we could be at the cusp of what happened in 2010, and in case that happens, you should fasten your seat belts, because there would be massive gains that we would get both for the Nifty Next 50 and the Nifty index as well.